Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to hide cell values and add visualization in Excel. So in this example, I have two data sets, same values. It has products, budget, actual, and I have status. Now, for effect, I want the status to read or look like what I have on my right. So it is easy to see which products met budget and which did not meet the budget. So we are going to do two things here. First, apply a simple conditional formatting to show green when we have positive and red when we have negative. To do that, simply highlight the values and then go to home, and you see conditional formatting in the styles group. Drop it down, and we are using data bars. So if you are using a current version of Excel, when you go to solid fill and you choose any of the colors here, it defaults to showing the positive in green and inverts the negative and gives you a red. So this is what we have. Now, we want to get rid of these numbers and show only the visuals. So we are not necessarily deleting, we are just hiding the values. To do that, you select the range of cells. You press Ctrl 1 to open the Format Cells menu. Under Category, come to Custom. So over here, we are putting in a custom script to hide the values even though they'll be present. So under Type, you punch in 3 semicolons. So you get a preview that the content is hidden. And when you click OK, you get this effect. So numbers are present, but you only see the visuals. You can apply it to different case studies. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. Or you can visit our YouTube channel. All our old videos are here. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.